Reasons for termination of parental rights in the state of California. What can lead to you losing custody of your child and or children? Most importantly, you must understand what stage of the case that you're in. If you're at a stage that your services has already been terminated or about to be terminated, you must immediately contact the California CPS defense lawyer, because at that time, you have a minimum of 120 days before the next court hearing as relates to terminating your parental rights. And once it gets to that stage, once a termination of parental rights hearing is already set and you contact a lawyer in the middle of it, it's going to be very difficult to try to prepare for a defense. Any lawyer. The goal is to try to establish as much visits as possible, to make necessary requests for a bonding study, meaning that an expert is going to go and evaluate your visits between you and your child and or children and determine if there's a bond or not. Because termination of parental rights, they must determine that it's not going to be detrimental to the child's well-being if termination of parental rights were to take place. And to show that it can, you must get an expert that understands what constitutes as a bond, what constitutes as a strong relationship, and what constitutes as detriment. A psychologist, a doctor, or any form of expert that understands this type of stuff. But it's important that if you have a very complex case and you may think that you may not get a chance to reunify, or you had a prior CPS case that led to termination of your services and led to termination of your parental rights, or these allegations are very severe, in the very beginning, you must get a skilled California CPS defense lawyer. Because from that beginning, it's going to dictate how your case goes. And it must be structured the right way, and it must be planned the right way, because time is going to be ticking. Because typical recommendations is going to be for them to not provide you with a chance to reunify. And you must be prepared, because time is going to be an investment. At Charlotte Law Firm, we're here to help. We're here to guide you. Contact us.